Another word for understated sexuality. I am trying to find a proper word for describing a visual concept. At the moment, the closest description is understated sexuality, but maybe there is another word to describe a woman that is beautiful, attractive, sexy, confident, and at the same time modest. Majestic or glorious, Alia 2015, are too lavish, I need something different. Max Lux 2015.
You can't throw a bunch of adjectives together and expect English to cough up some magic word. It might happen, but then again, it might not. If you want to focus on her beauty, use beautiful, attractive, appealing, charming. If you want to focus on her appearance, you could try classy, elegant, sophisticated, or even resplendent, depending on the case. For confidence, try poised, self-assured. Modesty, in some senses, goes against confidence, but you can use self-effacing, unpretentious. For understated sexuality in particular, I'm partial to elegant. Of people or their behavior, attractive and showing a good sense of style. Or, in extreme cases, sensuous. Attractive or gratifying physically, especially sexually. Oxford. P.S. In my humble opinion as a reader, I like writers to describe girls with as many specific adjectives as possible, rather than be too laconic about it. Even your description in the post would mean more to a girl than any single word could.
How about winsome? EDJ. Attractive or appealing in a fresh, innocent way.
I like chic. Adjective, chica, chicest, elegantly and stylishly fashionable. The connotation of stylish welcomes a deeper appreciation than most people offer to the elegant woman the op describes. 1856, as a noun, style, artistic skill, from French chic, 19c. In stylishness sense, originally subtlety, 16c, which is of unknown origin, perhaps, Klein, related to German schick, tact, skill, from Middle Low German schicken, arrange appropriately, or Middle High German schicken, to arrange, set in order. edomonline.com.
Someone fitting exactly that description. Yeah, she's currently reading over my shoulder, seems to find a way to fascinate me every day, so it might just be that all those qualities add up to make her fascinating.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.